Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to easily install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Before we begin, make sure you have VirtualBox installed on your PC and a copy of Windows 10 ISO file. I have already created a dedicated video on how to install VirtualBox and how to download the official Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft website. Now let's get back to main topic. To install the Windows 10 in VirtualBox, open the VirtualBox app and click on the new icon. Here, enter the name you want to give to your Windows 10 virtual machine. I will just stick with Windows 10. Under folder, choose the location where you want to save the virtual machine. Make sure the drive you are selecting has at least 10 to 15 GB of free space. Next, select the ISO image of your Windows 10 file. After that, tick the option that says Skip Unattended Installation. Once that's done, move to the hardware section. Here you can allocate the amount of RAM and CPU cores you want to give to the virtual machine. Make sure to stay with the green zone to avoid any performance issues. Next, go to the hard disk section and set how much storage space you want to allocate. Then click Finish. Now to begin the installation, select your Windows 10 virtual machine and click Start. A new window will open and you will see the Windows 10 loading screen. Once the setup interface appears, choose your preferred language, time and currency format and keyboard layout. After that, click Next and then hit the Install Now button. If you have a product key, enter it here. Otherwise, click on the I don't have a product key. Next, select the edition of Windows 10 you want to install and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next again. Then click on Custom Install Windows Only Advanced. Now select drive 0, unallocated space. Click the new button to create a primary partition and hit apply. Choose a drive 0 partition 2, which is the primary partition, and click next. And now the installation process will begin. The time it takes depends on your system's hardware. For me, it took around 13 minutes in VirtualBox. Once the installation is done, you will be greeted by the setup screen. Here, select your region and click yes. Next, choose your keyboard layout and click yes again. If you want to add a secondary keyboard layout, you can do so or just skip it. Wait a few seconds while Windows set up a few more things. Once you reach the account section, you will be prompted to sign in with Microsoft account. If you want to skip this and create a local account instead, press Shift plus F10 or Function plus Shift plus F10 on some laptops to open the command prompt. Then type start ms-cxh:/local only and hit enter. This will open the local account setup screen. Here enter your username, set a password and choose your security questions. Once done, click next. On the primary settings screen, you can either stick with the default option or turn off all the toggles based on your preferences. Then click Accept. And there you go, Windows 10 is now installed on VirtualBox. Just a heads up, by default Windows 10 won't be in full screen mode. To fix this, click on the devices in the menu, then choose Insert Guest Edition CD image. After that, open File Explorer, go to this PC and double click on VirtualBox Guest Editions. Run the VBox Windows Editions installer, follow on-screen instructions and then restart your virtual machine. If the Windows 10 still doesn't go full screen after restarting, go back to Devices and select Upgrade Guest Editions. Wait for it to finish installing, then restart again. After that, click on the View tab and select Auto Resize Guest Display. As you can see, Windows 10 is now running in full screen mode in VirtualBox. If you want to adjust the resolution or scale the interface, you can do that from the display settings. That's all from my end. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.